What's up guys, your boy Israel Ogunriyan here again with another amazing video for you guys. Now today in this video I'm going to be telling you about a logistic company that helps you to ship your product to about 148 different countries in the world. Now some days ago I made a video about a particular logistics company that can help you to ship your product to several countries. Now I got a comment from some of my subscribers and they asked me that can they ship to Dubai or to some places, and I decided to go further than that and I decided to research about another logistic company. Then I saw this particular logistic company which is very popular in Nigeria. Now if you want to ship your products to Dubai, US, Ghana, South Africa, Ivory Coast, Europe, Asia, major countries in the world, this logistic company gets you covered. Now like the other software I reviewed, you don't even need to leave your house to be able to ship your products. All you need to do is to put the details of the product in your phone, and once you put the details of the product in your phone and you pay with your phone, and you are as good as anything and immediately can be shipped. Now once you want to ship your products, all you need to do after you might have placed the details, their company will come and collect that goods in your house, and from there they will take it to their office where it will be transferred to where it will be shipped from. Now apart from the fact that they help you to ship your product, they also help you to fly your product. So for some of you guys who are in a hurry of sending your product to a particular place, to a particular country, or to someone, this company got you covered. So I'm going to be taking around the app and basically how the software works. Now without much ado, let's go right into the video. Welcome back guys. Like I said before, today in this video I'm going to be showing you a particular software company that helps you to ship your product to about 148 different countries in the world. The name of course is GIG Logistics. Now they recently launched their app. Now what contains their app is the fact that you have the opportunity of ordering everything you need with your phone without even moving an inch, without even doing anything. All you need to do is put the details that needs to be put on their software, and immediately you put that the product is as good as being shipped. Now once you have done all the full information, what will be done is the fact that someone will come and collect your good like I said before, and then your good is ready to be shipped. Now if you check their website here, it says that it's an e-commerce is nothing without logistics. You have the opportunity to ship, overseas shipping, get a quick quote. So this is basically how the website works. So you should know that you can either use their web portal to be able to access their software, or you can download the app on your phone, whether on Google Play or iOS, Apple Store. You can use any of those processes. Now on the GIG app, several people have made a lot of review about the software. Now for example, Mr. Azar Samson, he said that my first experience wasn't good, but the second was super excellent, and I'm on the third. My speaking with Ari, one of the US team, made things much easier. So they are good to go, and I hope they keep their record good as I continue to do business with them. My review is subject to change if their service gets better or gets worse. As for now, I'm giving them best service. And another person said, last year I had many transactions from different parts of the country and it went smooth. Great service, great company, great app. Tracing gives a clue to where the package is and eases much stress. Now another thing that you guys should know about GIG Logistics app is the fact that you have the opportunity of also tracing your product. So immediately you have made your payment and your product has been sent, and maybe it's probably on freight or in the layman's language if it's actually on the ship. So what happens is that they will actually give you a number where you can track it so that you can know where it currently is. I think that's pretty amazing. Now once you have signed, it takes you to this particular page. E-commerce is nothing without logistics basically. Now under the service here, you can have whether domestic logistics, the corporate logistics, overseas shipping, e-commerce logistics, wallet and other service. So basically each one depends on which one you are interested in and which one resonates to you. So you can have domestic parts, probably you want to just do it within Nigeria or within a country, and then the corporate part, then you have the overseas shipping if you want to transfer it to different countries in the world. Then there are offices, like I explained to you guys before, they have offices in different countries in the world. They have in UK, US, Ghana and Nigeria. So you could check out their services. Even if you're in Ghana, you can be able to sell products over there. Now if you go downward, you see you can ship now. So basically you have the opportunity of shipping now. So if you click on ship now, if you are ready to ship, all you need to do is, whether you want to do it within Nigeria, you can click on motorbike or minivan or a truck to come and pick your product, depending on how big your product is. So under the quick quote tells you basically how much your products will be worth and how much you must pay. Now under this quick quote is basically where you're going to weigh the products to know the size of the product. Just like if you go to a DHL office, before you can send anything, or if you get to a mail office, before you can send anything, you need to weigh it first. So it is very important that you get a quote. So get the measurement, you put it on a weigh, and then you put it on it. And once you put it on it and you know the exact weight, then you'll be given a particular price. After that, we have the express drop off. So you can tell somebody to come and drop it off for you in your house as easy as possible. Then you have the overseas shipping, so you can send it to Nigeria over here, and then you can send abroad as well. So even if you are not in Nigeria and you want to receive a package to Nigeria, probably in UK or United States, you can actually use their service to do it as well. I think the software is pretty amazing, and that's quite a lot of things that will help you to ship products across the country. Then finally, the transaction basically tells you about the money, how much you want to fund the wallet. So once you are ready, I want to make payment, you can click on fund wallet and you can transfer into the app. Immediately you open the account on the website, you already be generated an account, so you can send money to the account, and anytime you want to ship any product, you can just log in and begin to use software as well. One of the additional features of GIG Logistics is the fact that you have the opportunity of paying bills on the software as well. So you can buy airtime, you can buy data, you can pay DSTV subscription and utility bill and several other things like that. So if you are watching this video and you are looking for a software that allows you to do quite a number of deliveries across the country and across Nigeria, whether within Nigeria or outside Nigeria, like I said before, they are available in 148 different countries in the world. You can basically use their software to send products and receive products in Nigeria. If you have used GIG Logistics before, type it on the comment below so that I can encourage some people who probably might still have doubts to use the software. If you have not used the software before, you can try out the software because it really works. So that's everything you need to know about the GIG Logistics app. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like on it. Don't forget to also click on the subscribe button, click on the notification button, and make sure you click on the all on the notification button so that anytime I release videos about apps that you can use for your business, you'll be the first to see it. I see you next time. Keep watching.